Hello fellow crafters and welcome to Max DM Crafting. This is the first vlog of my movement. Once in a while I will be here to show you the progress of the movement that we are doing, of the movement of the studio, and a lot will change. So stay tuned. So you can see a lot must be done. I just finished to pack my minis, but you can see a lot of boxes here, a lot of books and stuff. These are all minis packed, books, game books, and this is the current project that I must finish before close definitely Max DM Crafting Studio. This is a tattooing diorama that I'm doing. Of course, Hero Quest is already sealed and ready to go. Other stuff here, but yeah, most of the useful stuff are already packed in the boxes. As you can see, I already removed all the flocking stuff. It turns out like 7 boxes of flocking. Then I need to pack the proxen, and I show you. The most difficult part is to set the drawers, to put in order and to change the setup, understand what it's useful, what is not. Look at that, look at the mess. Well, not so much indeed, but I have many drawers. Then you see I have molds, I have a lot of stuff, tools. Many are already empty, but you can see everything now is in the starting to be in the boxes, and basically the movement will be, we can move at the end of January. So I have a few weeks for finish the work, finish the projects that I'm running now, and then we can say goodbye to this studio, to this setting. Yeah, wish me luck.